Okay guys, so I think this is a 2009 model Volkswagen Passat, and I just borrowed it from my cousin because my car is at the mechanics at the workshop. And this is what happened to the side mirror. So the mirror fell off, the back plate is still there, and they just put this blind spot mirror in there temporarily to fix the problem. Now it does not have a very good visibility though. So I've done some research and I found online that these Volkswagen side mirrors, they are very sensitive to like falling off when they are heated. So there is a knob on the driver's side door that sometimes you don't realize, and it's on the heating setting, and that actually causes these mirrors to fall off. Okay, so the replacement mirror was quite cheap. It was only 20 bucks. I'll show you what it looks like, and we have to start the car, and we'll move the mirror fully in so that we can actually remove it and place the new one in. Okay guys, so this is the mirror, exactly what it's supposed to look like. This is the back side. These are the points to put those wires in. Let's start the car and let's move the mirror totally in. Okay, go. Okay, it's not going beyond a certain point, probably because that blind spot mirror is holding on to it. Okay, switch the car off. Okay guys, basically just put your fingers in here, and remember, it's true for almost every Passat. It comes off quite easily actually. Have a look here. So we have to see what the color of the wires is, because we don't want to get it wrong. It's a DC battery, so it has to be at the right points. Okay, so the one with that blue stripe, that is on the right side. Okay, might need some help from my son as well. Hey, come here. Can you just hold this mirror so while I unplug it? Okay, thank you. That doesn't come off easily. One gone, two gone. There you go. Okay guys, so putting this mirror, let's connect on the connections. One gone, second one done, and we will just pop it in. We should hear a click. I think it's all done. Yep, it's working. Up. Now move it up. Down. Left and right. Yep, left and right. Left. There you go. Keep going all the way. Perfect. Thank you.